Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a caption or even a subtitle file in a different language using only ChatGPT. Now, this video would require you to have a ChatGPT account, and also at the moment when I'm recording this video, this AI platform is no longer able to properly or natively transcribe an audio file into text, and because of that, I highly recommend to check my previous video to install a skill that lets ChatGPT to utilize an open source whisper model that can transcribe audio into text, because this is the only way for AI to understand spoken words in the video or audio file. So I'm going to put the link of this video in the description down below so you can get the skill to install, and after that you can come back to this video and you can start creating a subtitle or a caption file using ChatGPT. Now, for this demo, I'm going to be using this video. This is a short movie called The Box Assassin, and I'll just give you a quick preview and then I'll show you how you can create a subtitle or caption for any video or any content, basically. Let me just play this video first.
Got a pizza for Mr. Jax? Oh!
Who sent you here?
The pizzeria. Pudgy's Pizzeria.
Okay, so that is just a short video, and as you can see, there is no caption whatsoever. Now, let me just go back to ChatGPT and you can basically navigate to the work menu. So here you have two options. You can just upload the video file directly, or you can just extract the audio from that video file, because that will guarantee that the file is going to be within the limit. So on ChatGPT, the maximum file size that you can upload is 25 megabytes, and I think for most videos they are probably above that number. So maybe you want to extract the audio first, and in this case you can use most video editors like Filmora, for example. Here I'm using that program. I'll just drag and drop my video, and I'll just put that into timeline, and I will just export that, but only as an MP3 format, basically just the audio. So let's call this file The Box Assassin Audio, and I will just select the format to be MP3. Okay, so for the quality, I think you can go as low as 64. That should be quite acceptable for the AI model, but I think I want to make it safe, so I'll just stick with 96. Apply and then export. So this is just one example. There are many other programs that you can use. One tool that is open source that is quite popular is, I forgot the name, Audio Extractor 64. So this is also another simple program that you can use. It is quite straightforward, and of course it is free, it is open source, so you can just download this from the internet and you can install and use this program to extract the audio from any video file. Now, after you got the audio file, you can upload that to ChatGPT, and again, just make sure that you are using the work mode. This skill is not available if you're using the regular chat mode. Now, I will just call the skill. It's called local audio transcriber, and this is the prompt that you can get in the description down below. So at the moment we just want to get the caption, and if you are interested, I will also show you the technique if you want to translate that to a different language. So right here we just uploaded the file, and also we just mention the skill and send a message and just wait. This might take several seconds, maybe several minutes if you have a very long audio file, but just be patient and you should be able to get the transcription of the content. Okay, so we got this subtitle from ChatGPT. It was using the whisper model. Now here, given that we are using AI, we're using a large language model, you can actually discuss with AI about the accuracy of this transcription. So yeah, that is something that an AI model like ChatGPT can do really well. So if there's anything that feels like not very accurate, you can just tell AI that it is wrong and it will correct that. subtitle for you and you can get the more accurate version. But let's just assume that this is already correct. So I'm going to copy this. And by the way, you can actually just tell AI to give you the .srt file and you can download that directly. But in case you want to do this manually, you can just copy the answer from ChatGPT. And after that, you can open the file explorer on your computer. Let me just give you my example. So this is where I want to store the subtitle file. I'll just right click and then click new text document. Let's call this the box assassin subtitle. Hit enter. Enter again to open it. Now I'm going to right click and then paste that subtitle into this text document. Click file, click save, you can close it. And on Windows, you can actually change the file format quite easily. Just click view, show, and then enable file name extensions. And here in this subtitle file, you can right click and then click rename. It should be in here. And you can replace txt with srt or maybe ptt, but srt is a bit more popular. I'll just hit enter. Are you sure you want to change the format? Click yes. There you go. So we got a proper subtitle file for this video. Now to test this, you can open a video editor. You can also use a more dedicated program to actually put the subtitle and the video side by side so you can compare the result. So yeah, there are many different options, but here I'm using Filmora again. I'll just drag and drop that subtitle file into my Filmora project and I'll just put that on top of my video. Okay, and there you go. So let me just give you a quick preview.
I'll let you know what happened. I was down at the docks delivering a pizza. Hey, I think this is Industrial Drive. I got a pizza for Mr. Jacks. Oh.
Who sent you here?
The pizzeria. Pudgy's Pizzeria. Oh, hey.
Boys, get rid of them.
Okay, so I would say it's pretty good. Maybe not the most accurate, but I think the timing is pretty good. I think it's quite acceptable. Now, if you like it, you can just export the whole video and then you can fuse the subtitle and the video together, or you can just keep them separate. It's up to you, but at least now we got the subtitle or the caption for this video. If you want to get the different language version, well, we can also use ChatGPT. So if you are interested to transform this subtitle or caption into a different language, you can copy this prompt, and again, it's also available in the description down below. Let me just copy it. And here I'll tell AI to translate this to, let's say, let's try Spanish. Okay, send a message and just wait. And then the process will be more or less the same again. Just, copy that as a subtitle file, and then you can use an editing tool like Filmora or any other program that might be available that you have on your computer, and then you can just preview the result. And again, you can also just discuss with AI about the accuracy and also the cultural meaning, the context. So this translation is easy for AI, but that doesn't mean it's going to be very accurate, because language will usually represent the culture for each country. So that's something that usually still need to be done by an actual person. An AI model can help, but eventually a real person with experience and expertise might still need to oversee the whole process. Okay, I'll just copy this again, and I'm going to open that. You know what? I'm going to copy this document. I want to create a duplicate so I can just edit that file quite easily. Let me just open it using Notepad. Okay, so I'll just paste that right here. File, save. Let's call this one Espanol. Okay, and I'm going to put that into Filmora as well. Oh, sorry about that. And I'll just delete the English version and put the Spanish version.
How about this? I give you guys the pizza for free. Maybe I could even throw in some of Pudgy's famous cheesy breadsticks on the house.
Yeah, I would say it's pretty good. It's acceptable. I cannot really say if this is an accurate translation, but at least the timing is pretty accurate. So that's essentially the general overview if you really want to use ChatGPT to create a caption or even to create a subtitle for a video or a movie, even in different languages. Again, all the prompts should be available in the description down below. And if you are interested to see some other cool things and tutorials that you can do with AI, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.